Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus FX507. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus FX507 won't turn on, it can be frustrating and concerning. This issue often arises from a faulty power supply or internal component failure. Ignoring this problem could lead to further damage, making repairs more complex and costly. So, let's get started on diagnosing and fixing it. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement power supply if necessary. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by using the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back cover of the Asus FX507. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips. Once open, we need to locate the power supply connector. This component is typically found near the battery and motherboard. Carefully inspect the connection to ensure it isn't loose or damaged. If the connector appears fine, the issue may lie with the power supply unit itself. To extract it, remove the screws securing the power supply in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew them, keeping track of each screw. Apply gentle pressure when lifting the power supply out, and be cautious of any attached cables. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the power supply is replaced, reconnect any cables you've detached. Ensure that everything is securely connected before proceeding. Now, it's time to reassemble your device. Align the back cover properly and press down gently until it clicks into place. Finally, plug in your Asus FX507 and try turning it on. If it powers up successfully, congratulations! You've completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure your device is regularly updated and avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures or moisture. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.